YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Sophie Naomi and I'm still creating my idea here on YouTube, like what my vibe is going to be, because I resell and I love that journey, and I've been connecting with great and amazing other resellers. That's where you buy something typically at like a garage sale, thrift store, or wherever. You buy low, you sell high. Some people do retail arbitrage. They buy from other stores. They buy from like secondhand stores or like Marshalls, wherever, you name it. People buy it and they sell it online. It's a huge, amazing community here. Some of my mentors are like Rally Roots, Rake and Profit, Rockstar Flipper. A couple of those resellers who do mainly clothing, some accessories, and a lot of other things like electronics. I mean, so many possibilities with reselling. I primarily do clothing accessories. That's my passion. Sorry. I am known to pick up whatever sells though. I mean, if I see something out in the wild, I call the wild like the field where I'm out and about in thrift stores. I will pick up a book. I picked up electronics. I picked up collectibles. I mean, you name it. If it sells and I research it and it's worth my time, I'm going to get it. Okay. I'm not turning money down. So anyway, I think I had the best haul ever today. It is amazing. I have like a pile of clothes right here, so many. So I have a 1-year-old and it's so hard to get things done with her and be able to film and look appropriate. So I just threw on a headscarf. I look a little rough. Usually my makeup's done, but I have a little makeup. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my best haul. I live in Texas. Sometimes thrifting or sourcing, I call it, when you're out buying things to sell online. And just to kind of rewind it back, I actually sell on Poshmark, my main platform, and then eBay. I'm a believer that you need more than one platform. I do it full-time to part-time, so I was doing it full-time through May of this year. I have a little background I'll tell you guys about, but I was like in limbo having the baby, kind of wanting to be at home, but not technically a stay-at-home mom. I am unmarried, so I wanted to do something to bring in really income. Just, I had to, and I wanted to do something that I loved, which is like an anomaly. People want to travel or they want to do this or that. I just wanted to do something that I loved, that was a profitable business, and somehow I got the crazy idea to resell. So I can do a separate video on that. I've done video after video after video, guys, and I never get it posted. I've done one of those blue box reseller boxes I wanted to review on, never posted. I have done hauls, never posted. I just do normally on my Instagram at soulful_chic_finds with an S, so it's Soulful Chic Finds. That's normally where I do my hauls. It's normally I do everything and show you what I get for Poshmark and eBay. So that's kind of the gist. It's kind of be long because I talk a lot, and I'm not editing this video because when I start editing, guys, it never gets done. This is on my iPhone. It never gets done. It goes into all my millions of 6,000 photos of my daughter. You'll never, ever, ever, ever see it. So I'm just like, let me just come on live. So primarily, again, I'm in Texas. It's unpredictable. Lately, you have ups and downs, and I can do a video of that. I also have tips I want to do. I have a video coming as well, and you just find what you find. You search, you have some tips and tricks, the brands, you do your research, you get up early and often, you try to be consistent, but sometimes it is the luck of the draw. And so sometimes, I'm frustrated and I'm like, I need to find something good, and I found some great stuff. So I'll just kind of show you. One is from the retail store, one pile, and the other pile is from the bins of the Goodwill outlet. It's paid by the pound Goodwill. I believe ours here in my area of Texas is, don't quote me on this, like $1.39 a pound or something like that. I've also thrifted in LA, Los Angeles, and other cities as well. I'm trying to do like a thrift and travel kind of setup, so I'll let you know how that is. And I love it. And I go to LA all the time, not all the time. I've gone a couple times and had great success. So anyway, I went to the bins first, paid by the pound, spent an hour there. It's very intensive. You're going through just piles of pretty much rejects and overflow from Goodwill. It's so much cheaper though buying in the store. Typically in the store, which my next haul will be, items, shirts are like $4.79. Yeah, they get pricey. T-shirts are $2.99. Jackets are $6.49, and dresses are $6.49, and jeans are $7.99. So that's kind of my pricing. I will show you receipts, guys. So I'm not joshing you. I spent at the Goodwill outlet today $6.50. I don't know if you could see it. Oh, you can't see it, guys. I'm so sorry. I may get interrupted soon. I have my sister on the way. You can see the poundage. Hopefully you guys can see that. Anyway, so I just got a couple things. These are the things I'm actually going to sell. Sometimes I grab stuff for other people or for other purposes, but this is selling. I picked up Coin 1804. I've never heard of this brand. Sorry, the lighting is so harsh. But it's a cute sweater with like an under like scarf, kind of like you would layer a shirt. Pretty good condition. Again, sometimes you find really great stuff. Sometimes it's ripped or has flaws. So you just have to really be careful. That'll be my tips and tricks, but I can't find the size right now, but it's got a split in the back. Super cute. I saw that some of these sell at Anthro, so I'm going to do my research on this one. I did see it's the same one up for $25. Again, I spent $5. 4 pounds. Again, probably like 2 of the 4 pounds was actually for reselling, so that's pretty good. This was less than $1. Okay, up next is my best find. I didn't know anything about it, but it looks unique. It's called Injury with an I. Guys, I cannot even show you this. Injury. They're handmade clothing. And I looked up the comps, guys. Look up your comps. $200, $300. Even on eBay. eBay I do sell, and I could do a video about that. It is complicated. Not complicated. It's a little bit different than Poshmark. Poshmark's a lot more straightforward. But you have those buyers looking for unique stuff like this. So this is handmade dress. Blue, kind of purplish. Long. Got a mid-length. But yeah, the comps look good. It does look a little bit of wear on it, but I mean, even if I got 100, even if I got 75, 50 for it, I mean, I'm probably going to start on the higher end and take best offer, or even do a bid for it. I don't know. I'm going to do research. I'll let you guys know, okay? I have hauls in the past where I can do update how much it actually sold for because it's already sold, but I have a really good haul that I'm going to put up prior to this, like maybe a few weeks ago, but this is definitely my best haul day, and I'll show you in a minute. So I'm going to speed through this. That dress, I mean, that makes what, like triple, $6 is a 200. I mean, that's crazy. I've been looking at vintage lately. I'll tell you guys more about that later. This is Emmanuel. I don't know much about anything, guys. Tell me if it's bad or not. I don't know. I briefly looked at it. I didn't see but a couple pulls, but it's just a little bodice sequin top. This stuff is unique. People love vintage stuff for parties, whatever, Halloween. I will put this up. I don't know yet. Some of the stuff was 20, some was 40, some was 19. I have to look. So you guys really gotta look. I just saw this this long sleeve ruche top. Didn't think anything of it. Something, and guys, I got a lot of this today. Something told me look at the back. Love that Lulu. Can't even show it to you guys. Love, love, love that little symbol. Look for that symbol, guys. I could at least get 20, 30 for this. Super cute. I got more in my next group. This is just something, I don't know, sometimes I take stuff to like, you know, your buy sell trade and get cash for it. This is BKE from Buckle Boutique. Just like a embroidered top. I don't know. It looks unique. Somebody will like it. I might put it in my closet, but it's really not my style. I love a lot of Anthro, a lot of Madewell. That's my money maker. A lot of, you know, one-off brands, Athleta wear. So, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so, oh, I also just got a tank. I may just keep it. It's a Reebok, plain, but it's like brand new. Looks like somebody took the tags off and didn't want it. The bins, $6. We're done with that. Yesterday I went to the bins too. This is not included in this haul, but I did go to the bins to get some cute stuff. They had a dump of accessories, and of course I was late, guys. I brought my daughter. It was late, and I didn't get them a lot of stuff. Actually, I got a lot of sandals for next year. I got some stuff, but I got this Betsy Johnson bag, just a bonus item. It says "Love Me Not." It's cute with the flower, and I did find this cute Kate Spade. I usually don't find Kate Spade there, but someone just left it on top. I didn't realize it. The only thing is it's got staining on the back, and that's the thing with the bins is you might get stuff that needs work. So I'm gonna try to work on that. I don't know if you guys can see those scuffings, kind of staining, looks like ink.